Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did these really quick and easy summer nails. I am going to be using the FEMIBEAUTY method or the lazy girl method. So if you want to see how I did these, just keep on watching. I originally was just going to do one nail. I was just going to do a short TikTok. Here it is now. But when I saw how cute it was coming along, I just wanted to do a full set. So I went ahead and filmed that for you. I'll be using these glitter acrylics from Savaland. They're my absolute favorites. They're so stunning. And taking some full cover tips, I'm going to go ahead and shape them into the shape that I'd like. I wanted to do a sort of pointed nail, so I went ahead and cut them with some clippers and filed them to my liking until I ended up with this shape here. And here's the one that I did already. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did these with the other colors. Getting some monomer, I'm using Mia Secrets monomer. It's the one that I always use. And I'm using the Savaland number 10 brush. I got this from Amazon. Starting with the green shade, I'm going to go ahead and pick up a bead. Because these are so chunky, they don't really form the perfect bead, but they're still super easy to work with, and just look at how stunning this is. These are my absolute favorite glitter acrylics because it's a nice mix of big chunky glitters as well as some smaller ones. It's not just a really fine glitter that you'd see in other glitter acrylics, so these are definitely my favorite. I believe I got them in a set, so they all came together and they were all the different shades of them. The pink, blue, purple, green, and yellow, and orange. And they're super affordable. I love how they perform. They're all just so stunning, even just by themselves without anything. I think they're just gorgeous. And as you can see, I went ahead and did the pink and orange glitter nails. And I forgot to mention, but I am only doing them halfway down just for now, so that way, as you can see here, I'm filling in the nail bed area and I'm going to be able to just pop it right on. I didn't want to do the entire nail all at once, doing all of them, just because I didn't want the acrylic to set before we had a chance to pop it on. I wanted to make sure that the acrylic going on the nail bed was still going to be wet. So as you can see, I just flipped over the nail stand that I had the nail on and popped it onto my thumb. And I'm going to go ahead and repeat that for the rest of the nails, just filling in the same shade at the top and flipping it over, popping it on. This is known as the Lazy Girl method or the FEMIBEAUTY method. I've seen her do this a lot with polygels, but I figure the acrylic should be the same. You just want to make sure that you prep your nails as usual, however you normally prep them, and the acrylic should bond the same as it normally would any other time. I did just want to credit her because this is her method, so I'll leave her channel down below in the description box in case you wanted to go check her out. Here are all of the glitter nails all done. Just look at how stunning these are. They're so pretty. And I'm taking some of this white liner gel from Savaland as well, and this is what we're going to be doing the detailing with. I'll leave everything that I use linked down below just in case you're interested. And I'm starting to paint on these white lines that all meet in the top corner, and I draw a sort of half of a circle at the bottom, and then I start rounding out all the edges. We don't want it to look super square, so I'm going to go ahead and round them. It kind of creates like the silhouette of a petal shape. This part is a little bit tedious, but it's pretty simple and easy. It just maybe takes a little longer if you're super new to nail art, but it's pretty simple and straightforward. I definitely think anybody could do this. And I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that on all the nails. It's the exact same process for all of them. I do around 5 lines or so, and then I start rounding them off. The negative space helping to create the image of a fruit. And I did want to mention this is really important. I didn't show it, but off camera I buffed the nails and applied a base coat. So you want to make sure that you buff the nails before you do any sort of gel polish, because the chances are it probably will end up peeling off. If the surface is too smooth, it's just going to peel right off, so you really need to make sure that you buff. And I do like to apply a base coat after buffing, just so that way my lines go on really smoothly and it doesn't seep into the cracks at all. But that part is somewhat optional. That's just what I did. I just completely forgot to film it. It was just something I did off camera, but I did want to make sure that I mentioned that. We definitely don't want all of our hard work just peeling right up. Now I'm just taking the corresponding colors and painting the very tip with them. So this one's going to be pink, then orange, and then green. I think this creates a really cute sort of French effect, and it makes the glitter really stand out if it's not the entire nail, it's just where the fruit is. And once I'm done with that, I'm going back in with a little bit of the white liner and just perfecting that edge where I might have gotten a little bit messy. when doing the tip color. And finally, we're on to top coating. The top coat just helps to camouflage all the layers. It all just goes really smoothly. Everything gets super smoothed out, so don't be afraid if you had to add some layers. And here's the final reveal. I think they came out so freaking cute. I love the pop of glitter, and I just think it's perfect for the summertime. I love the colors. Once again, everything will be linked down below in case you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.